Hey guys, Raj here. This is Diagnostic Plus, and today we're looking at a ZE30 engine on a E25. They had a head change because of some gasket leak, so compression was coming through the radiator, but everything was working fine. And then they have had starting problems. So they suspect the pump, but they just finding it difficult to believe that as they change the head, the pump fail or start to give trouble. I was calling just to make sure the signals from the ECU to the pump are there and everything is there for the pump to communicate properly and work, right? So stay with us. We are using our oscilloscope to check the signals. Take care. Hey guys, so what we have here, this is our connection for our pump. And this is coming back all the way to oscilloscope here. We have 6 channels connected back. If we look at our diagram, we will see we have a 6-pin connector here, which is labeled gray, F21. That is what we are following. And this is the CAN high and CAN low signals, the communication signals. And this is the exchange between the ECU here and the pump control. Okay, stay with us. So what's happening on the first start with everything being cool, it start and run perfectly. All the signals was there. After the engine warm up, switch off and attempted to start again, nothing. It's like it lacking fuel, just not getting any fuel. But the signals are still there. All the signals that's supposed to be there is there. So I'm not seeing any electrical issues so far, right? But stay with us. So guys, I'm just going through the signal here on the hard. When it hard starting, this is the signal when it hard starting on this gigantic screen because my laptop refused to work this morning. So it's really convenient in one way and a pain in the ass the other way because it's very heavy. So we have the 2 communication lines here. That is from the ECU and the pump. And we have this pulse here that's supposed to be there on ignition on, and when the vehicle starts it should go to 0. The manual say that voltage should be 0.1. And we have ground here, and we have the 12 volts to the pump, which is the power for the pump, and we have the signal here that is coming from the ECU to the pump, and that's supposed to be a pulsating square wave. Interesting. We see the signal coming here, but nothing carrying on. This is our next attempt to start. We see the signal, but nothing starts, so it cannot have continued. So right now it's seeming that everything is here, but no fuel. Do we really have a pump issue? So all this here is where the attempt to start, where the starter take a set of power from the system, and that is why it got ugly there. But you actually see the signal here from the ECU to the pump telling it what to do. And communication lines look okay. And we had our voltage drop here from our 12 volts, obviously, with the starter taking all that power. But so far, everything seemed to be there. Right here, if I go here and I pull up the first attempt with the engine being totally cool, it actually started really good, and this is how we know good signals look like. So this is our CAN high signals and CAN low on the top here, and if we look at it, slide across, sorry I don't have my mouse. This is what we see in here. This is the signal from the ECU. That is good. CAN high and CAN low is good. We have our permanent ground. We have our permanent 12 here. But there is something I'm seeing. This little square wave here riding on all the signals beside the one that communicating from the ECU. This riding on something. And that is a concern. But I'll let the van cool for now and trying to make our next attempt to start to see if it's cold and it's starting compared to when we warm it up and it's not starting after. In terms of low pressure fuel and all of that, everything seemed to be good. All of this was checked before. I just confirmed any signals on the pump because they're trying to rule out if the pump is bad. Coincidentally, right after they changed the head. Stay with us, guys. Hey guys, so you can see here we just probed the main power line and put our current clamp on it to see the current draw, and so far every time it is drawing current, whatever inside here is activating. Example, the spill valve or whatnot is coming on when the engine bunks on to start, but it's coming off back, so something probably mechanically sticking. But when it's running good. The signals are good, the current draw is good. I've seen no electrical issues here. Most likely we have a defective pump. Surprisingly, right after they changed the head, which is hard to believe, but does happen sometimes. Okay, take care, thanks for joining us.
Right, I put up everything back here. I bleed it out already. It'll tumble here. Just gonna have to catch up everything. But no, nothing on the glue plugs. Catch up the cover with 2 bolts. Catch up this with 4 bolts. Catch up this with 2 bolts. Just get your lines up. Let's just see this thing cranking and starting in a one now, or tumbling forever. See. Alright, started good there. Try again. Before it was like tumbling, start, then no tumbling, no start, and then tumble kind of start, and then tumble again. So now we repeatedly gain it to hold on the first turnover. So we're looking good, boy. So I'm gonna take back everything out and put everything back up together, secure everything, and look like we're okay. So yeah, the bottom line was the effective pump from all the symptoms I was getting, and I was seeing that. But again, you gotta get all the readings to be sure. They go running changing that pump. So diagnosis was good, so we look good there. Here we go again. Alright. Nah, it look like that, isn't it? It's starting now one day for me first tumbling. Only like when it now started because all the lines was off and fuel was not up. So we're looking good. So I had to take down back stuff and then reseal back everything. I kind of put up everything I kind of halfway from just to see if this pump really was the issue.